I'm Janelle, this is toDIYfor. So in Canada, we are headed into the May 2-4 long weekend, which is also kind of like the unofficial kickoff of summer. I say that as it is currently snowing outside right now, but this weekend is supposed to be nice. And it got me thinking about patio drinks in summer, and what's better than a patio drink? A patio drink in a really cute, fun glass. These glasses are so much easier to make than you might think. They're also dishwasher safe and really affordable to make. So I'm gonna show you a couple of designs, and don't worry, you don't need to be too artistically inclined to be able to do these designs. They're really quite simple. They're fun for your own patio or would make a really great gift idea. So let's get into it.
So you just need some plain clear glasses, but what you really need is the multi-surface paint. It is the only way that this project is going to work. So clean off your glasses and then wipe them down with some rubbing alcohol. I actually used vodka because I didn't have any rubbing alcohol, and it worked for my project. So my pineapple design is simply 3 dots and then 3 rows of 4 dots or small brush strokes like I'm doing here. Don't worry if these aren't all the same size, if it's not perfect. If you screw up, it's totally okay. You can wipe this off and redo it. And then simply at the top, I just added a few kind of green brush strokes. You can brush out the paint as much or as little as you like, and you can go back and make the colors darker if you want as well. So the other design, it's a little bit easier if you don't have a steady hand. It's just the confetti look. So you take the opposite end of the paintbrush, you dip it in the paint, quite a lot of paint on there, and then you just put dots all over the place. And if you're doing multiple colors, I would suggest alternating between those colors as you go and slowly filling it in to make it thicker and thicker and bring it up the glass as much as you want. So now we need to let these dry for 72 hours. And once they dried, I needed to cure them in the oven. This is all just per the instructions on my paint that I was using. Follow the directions on the paint that you buy. And here was the test. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared when I put them in the dishwasher, but they came out perfect. And that's it.
So really the key here is patience. I know it might seem like a long time, but allow that paint to dry as long as it needs to. Follow the directions on your paint that you're using, that multi-surface paint, and then bake it for the appropriate time that is listed in the directions. It might seem like a long time, but think about it. It's gonna be so worth it in the long run when you can throw these in the dishwasher. Let me know which design was your favorite in the comments below, and if you try these out for yourself, I'd love to see what design you tackle. So share with me your DIYs. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Janelle Steeper, and make sure you tag me in those posts so I can check out your DIYs. Cheers, and I will talk to you next Wednesday with a new DIY.